Good day, fellow gardeners. Let's kick things off with a beautiful scripture. The earth is the Lord's and everything in it, the world and all who live in it. Psalm 24:1. And remember this positive quote. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Taos, today, I'm excited to share how you can turn everyday kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost tea, a magical brew your plants will absolutely love. It's not just a great way to reduce waste, but it also nurtures your garden in the most natural and sustainable way possible. First things first, what exactly is compost tea? Think of it as a powerful organic liquid fertilizer, packed with beneficial microorganisms, nutrients, and minerals from decomposed organic matter. It's like a health tonic for your plants. Alright, let's jump into the process. Start by collecting those kitchen scraps, fruit peels, veggie scraps, coffee grounds, and even eggshells. Avoid meat, dairy, and oily foods, as they can attract pests and slow down the composting process. Next, you'll need a compost bin or pile. If you already have one, great. If not, no worries. You can easily start one in a corner of your yard or even use a large container. Layer your kitchen scraps with dry leaves, grass clippings, and a bit of soil. Turn the pile regularly to aerate it and speed up decomposition. Once your compost is ready, it's time to brew our compost tea. Fill a 5-gallon bucket with water, preferably rainwater or dechlorinated tap water. Add a shovelful of well-aged compost to a mesh bag or an old pillowcase and submerge it in the water. Now, we let it steep for 24 to 48 hours. Stir the brew occasionally to introduce oxygen, which helps the beneficial bacteria thrive. After a couple of days, your compost tea is ready. Strain the liquid and transfer it to a watering can or spray bottle. Give your plants a good drink, soaking the soil around them or misting the leaves. They'll thank you with lush growth and vibrant blooms. Remember, every time you nourish your garden with homemade compost tea, you're not just feeding your plants, you're also contributing to a healthier planet. So, embrace the cycle of life, turn waste into wonder, and watch your garden flourish like never before. Happy gardening, and may your gardens grow abundantly. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, take care and keep cultivating joy.